Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of lawn care business. A lawn care service refers to a professional service that takes care of the maintenance and overall health of lawns and outdoor green spaces. These services are typically offered by landscaping companies or specialized lawn care companies. The main goal of a lawn care service is to ensure that the lawn remains healthy, attractive, and well maintained throughout the year. Typically, a lawn care service includes a range of tasks such as mowing the lawn, trimming and edging the grass, removing weeds, fertilizing the soil, and applying pesticides or herbicides when necessary. The service may also involve aerating the soil to improve its health and promoting the growth of grass. Additionally, lawn care professionals often provide services like seeding or reseeding the lawn, dead hatching, and performing seasonal cleanups to remove debris and prepare the lawn for different weather conditions. By hiring a lawn care service, homeowners or property owners can enjoy a well-kept and vibrant lawn without the hassle of doing all the work themselves. These services are especially beneficial for individuals who lack the time, knowledge, or physical ability to maintain their lawns effectively. Lawn care professionals bring expertise, specialized equipment, and a systematic approach to ensure that the lawn receives the necessary care and attention it needs to thrive. Ultimately, a lawn care service helps create an appealing outdoor space that enhances the overall aesthetic and value of the property. Starting a lawn care business requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you get started. Research and planning. Begin by conducting thorough research on the lawn care industry in your area. Identify your target market, understand the competition, and determine the services you want to offer. Create a business plan that outlines your goals, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Check with your local government to understand the licenses and permits required to operate a lawn care business in your area. This may include business licenses, permits for chemical application, and certifications for handling certain equipment or chemicals. Comply with all legal requirements to ensure a smooth and legitimate operation. Acquire equipment and supplies. Invest in the necessary equipment and supplies to perform lawn care services. This typically includes lawn mowers, trimmers, blowers, fertilizers, pesticides, safety gear, and transportation vehicles like trucks or trailers. Consider whether you want to purchase or lease equipment based on your budget and business needs. Set pricing and services. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as the size of the lawn, services offered, and local market rates. Research your competitors' prices to ensure your rates are competitive yet profitable. Define the range of services you will provide, which may include mowing, trimming, edging, fertilization, weed control, pest control, and more. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers. Create a professional website that showcases your services and includes contact information. Utilize online advertising, social media platforms, and local directories to promote your business. Print business cards and flyers to distribute in the community. Offer referral incentives to encourage satisfied customers to recommend your services. Build a customer base. As you begin operations, focus on building a loyal customer base. Provide excellent service, be punctual, and communicate effectively with your clients. Encourage customer feedback and address any concerns promptly. Word-of-mouth recommendations will play a crucial role in growing your business. Expand and diversify. As your business grows, consider expanding your service offerings or targeting additional markets. This could include offering landscaping services, snow removal in winter months, or branching out into commercial properties. Continuously assess market trends and adapt your business to meet changing customer demands. Remember, starting a lawn care business requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to delivering quality services. Building a strong reputation in the industry will help you attract and retain customers, leading to long-term success. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.